Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and OS so the steps match your phone. Once done, charge above 20% and connect Wi-Fi for any image downloads. Open Settings, then Display or Wallpaper right away. This is where screensaver options live on most phones. You want to check available storage and permissions now so you won't hit errors later. Make sure you have a photo or file ready, or choose a built-in animation. With these prerequisites handled, proceed to select the screensaver source. You choose the source next, whether photos, live photo, gallery, or a built-in animation. Pick the item that suits your style. Then customize timing and brightness, and toggle motion or slideshow options. This controls when and how the screensaver activates. Use crop and scale to frame the image properly, and set orientation or loop behavior if offered. Preview the screensaver to confirm transitions and legibility, if text or icons clash. Change contrast or pick a different image before you finish by tapping Apply or Set and choosing whether it runs on the lock screen, home screen, or both. That completes the activation. If the screensaver doesn't appear, restart the phone and recheck the chosen source and preview. Also make sure battery saver or low power mode isn't preventing activation, and that the app or photo permissions aren't blocked. If problems persist, switch to a default built-in image to isolate the issue. Then reapply your custom asset once resolved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.